Hey, hello everyone. Are you a fresher who are looking out for IT trainings? Or do you have a career gap who wanted to get a very good job in IT? Or if you are from a non-technical background who wanted to enter into an IT? This video is for absolutely for all of them. And we, representing from Achievers IT, which is one of the top rated training institute in Kukatpally, Hyderabad. So we are providing Java full stack, Python full stack, mean stack, mun stack, web development, React.js, Angular, Vue.js, and software testing, including manual, Java, Selenium automation. Along with that, we'll also provide cloud computing, AWS, DevOps, and we'll also provide data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and many more courses. Our training starts from scratch, even if the person is completely from non-technical, or if you are extremely a fresher, our faculty members are industry experts. They will try to teach you from the scratch, from basic level to the advanced level, and our training includes projects, live projects, and tasks. And one more important thing is we will also prepare everyone for placements as well as interviews. And whoever performs really great, and you also get a packages, a minimum 3 lakhs, and sometimes people whoever is performing really great, and they can even get even more good packages, right from 5 lakhs, 7 lakhs, even more. And if you want more technical skills, if you want to work on live project, yes, of course, we will also working on the live projects, and students will get a stipend. If you are super talented, you can also crack a internship opportunities. During the learning itself, you can also avail the benefit of earning. What are you waiting for? So kindly visit Achievers IT KPHB branch for free demo and try to get more information. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.